How to add someone on Snapchat without saying added by search. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add someone on Snapchat without triggering the added by search notification using your iPhone or Android device. So let's get started. First of all, you can head over and open your Snapchat application. For this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So you're gonna head over and click on your profile over here, or if you wish to add new friends instantly instead of going over here and click on my friends, you can simply go back and click on this person icon with a plus sign. And here you're gonna search for a specific person that you wish to add friend. For example, let's say we're gonna do this one for Willem. So instead of clicking on add right next to the person's name, you're gonna click on their Bitmoji. And once you do so, you will be redirected to their profile. So you need to click on add from their profile, and once you do so, it would say added by username instead of added by search. So that is a safe place. Or you can either just memorize the person's username, that is Willem3123, and you can make your friend text you this username. And once they do so, you can simply click on that username and then add the person. And in that way, they will not get the notification of added by search. So that is basically how you can add someone on Snapchat without saying added by search. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.